Well, good morning to everyone. Welcome to the online mathematics class. In the last class, already we have completed the first three problems in the related to the average problems. In the today's class, let us continue the remaining problems. Look at the fourth one. The average of the height of the 5 students having the height 30, 40, 50 and 60 and 70 and find the average height. Find the average height. They are given that sum of all the students is equal to 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. They are given the sum of the all the students is equal to 30, 40, 50 and 60 and the 70. Now number of students, number of students, how many numbers are there here? 30 is 1, 40 is 2, 50 is 3, 60 is 4, 70 is 5. There are 5 students. Then we can write the number of students are 5. Then we can say that number of students are 5. Now what is the formula you are going to use when you are finding the average? Now total number sum of all the students are divided by the number of students. Sum of all the students divided by the number of students. Now average is equal to what is the formula you are going to use here? Sum of all the students divided by the number of students. What is the sum of all the students? Sum of all the students is equal to 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 70 divided by the number of students are 5. Sum of all the students are 30, 40, 50, 60 plus 70. Now number of students are 5. Now 30 plus 40 is 70, 70 plus 50 is 120, 120 plus 60 is 180, 180 plus 70 is 250. 250 by 5. Now 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. Then average is equal to 50. What they ask the question? The average of the height of the 5 students having the height 30, 40, 50 and 60 and 70. Find the average. Now you have taken here, they have given sum of all the students is equal to 30, 40, 50 and 60 and the 70. Now number of students is equal to 5. There are 5 students in the class. That's why you have taken the number of students is equal to 5. Now average is equal to sum of all the students. What is the formula you are going to use here? Sum of all the students divided by the number of students. Now what is the sum of all the students? 30 plus 40 plus 50 plus 60 plus 70 divided by the number of students. How many are there? 5 are there. Number of students are 5. Now if you add these numbers, then you will get the 250. 250 by 5 is equal to, if you make a multiplication, then you divide, you will get the answer is average is equal to 50. You will get the average is equal to 50. Now look at the second one. Fifth one, the average score of a cricketer, the average score of a cricketer in 2 matches is 27 and in 3 matches is 32 and in 3 matches is in 3 matches is 32. In 3 matches is 32. Then his average score in all the 5 matches. Then his average score in all the 5 matches. Look at the problem here. The average score of a cricketer in the 2 matches is 27. The average score of a cricketer in the matches is 2 matches is 27, and in the 5 matches is 32. In the 5 matches is 32. Now then his average score in the 5 matches. Then average score in the 5 matches. Now average score in 2 matches. Average score in 2 matches. What is the average score in the 2 matches? 2 into 27. 2 into 27 is the average score. 2 into 27. You will get the 54. You will get the 54. Now, then in 3 matches is 32. Then in the 3 matches is 32. Now average score in 3 matches. Average score in 3 matches is 3 into 32. 3 into 32. You will get the 96. Average score in the 3 matches is 96. They ask us to find the average score of the 5 matches. The average score of the 5 matches. Now, average score of 5 matches. Average score of 5 matches. Now, average score of 5 matches is the average score of 2 matches plus average score of 3 matches. When you are going to find the average score of the 5 matches, we are going to add here average score of 2 matches plus average score of 3 matches. Now, what is the average score of the 2 matches? 54 is the average score of the, what is the 54 is the average score of the 2 matches plus average score of the 3 matches is, what is the average score of the 3 matches? Average score of 3 matches is 96. Average score of 3 matches is 96. Now, divided by the number of matches. What is the total number of matches he is going to play? 5 matches he is going to play. Divided by the 5. What is the formula? Sum of the all the matches, sum of the all the scores divided by the number of matches. What is the formula you are going to use here? Sum of all the scores divided by the number of matches. Divided by the number of matches. This is the formula you are going to use when you are finding the average score of 5 matches. Now, 54 plus 96, then you will get the 54, 96 plus 54 is equal to 10. You will get the 150. 150 by 5. You will get the 150 by 5. The average is 30. The average is equal to 30. What is the average score of these 5 matches is? They ask us to find the, they have given the 2 matches average and they have given the 3 matches average. Now we are going to find the 5 matches average. By looking at the problem, we can understand they have given that average score of 2 matches is 2 into 27. If you are multiplying the 2 into 27, you will get the 54. Again, average score of 3 matches is, now average score in the 3 matches is 3 into 32. Then you will get the 96. Now when you are going to find the average score of the 5 matches, what is the formula you are going to use here? Sum of the all the scores divided by the number of matches. Sum of the all the scores divided by the number of matches. Now 54 plus 96 is equal to, you will get the 150 divided by the number of matches are 2 plus 3. When you are going to, he is going to play the 5 matches. Now number of matches are 5. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. Then average you will get the 30. Then you will get the average equal to 30. Look at the third one. Sixth one, the average of age of 4 children, the average age of 4 children is 11 years, is 11 years. If the age of 3 children are, if the age of 3 children are, if the age of 3 children are, if the age of 3 children are 9 years, 12 years and 10 years and 10 years. Now find the age of 4th child. Find the age of 4th child. Find the age of 4th child. What is the given problem is? Sixth one is the average age of 4 children is, the average age of 4 children is 11 years. If the age of the 3 children are given 9 years and the 12 years and the 10 years. Find the age of the 4 children. Find the age of the 4 children. Now the average of the 4 children are is 11 years. Now average age of 4 children is, average age of 4 children is equal to, what is the average of the 4 children? 11 into 4. If you are multiplying the 11 into 4, you will get the average age of the 4 children. We are going to multiplying the age of the 11 into 4, you will get the average age of the 4 children. Now if the age of 3 children are, they have given that if the age of 3 children are 9 years, 12 years and 10 years, they have given that if the age of the 3 children are 9 years, 12 years and 10 years. Now average age of 3 children, average age of 3 children, average age of 3 children. What is the average age of 3 children? They have given that 9 years plus 10 years plus 12 years, 9 years plus 10 years plus 12 years. Now 10 plus 9 will be 19, 19 plus 12 is equal to 33, you will get the 33. Now average age of 3 children is 33. They asked to find at the 4th age of, they asked to find the age of the 4th child. Age of 4th child is equal to, age of 4th child is equal to, age of 4th child is equal to average age of 4 children minus average age of 3 children. Now if you are subtracting here, 44 minus 33 is equal to, you will get the 11 years. You will get the 11 years. It is the 11 years is the age of the 4 children. Age of 4th child is 11 years. Age of 4 children is, 4th child is 11 years. Now what is the problem they given? The average age of the 4 children is 11 years. If the age of 3 children is 9 years, 12 years and 10 years. Now find the age of the 4th child. Find the age of the 4th child. Now first we have to go finding here average age of the 4 children. Average of the 4 children. 11 into 4. If you are multiplying the, they have given that 11 years. 11 into 4. If you are multiplying, you will get the 44. You will get the 44. Again, if you are finding the average age of the 3 children. If you are finding the average age of 3 children. Now you will get the, what is the average of 3 children? They have given 9 years, 10 years and 12 years. Now if you making the sum of these 3 years, you will get the 33. Now you are going to find the 4th child age. You are going to find the 4th child age. Now if you are subtracting the 4 children minus 3 children sum, if you are subtracting the 4 children minus 3 children's average age, then you will get the 44 minus 33. Then you will get the, what is the age of the 4 children? 4th child, you will get the 11 years. Now in the today's class, we will complete the 3 problems. In the next class, we shall continue the remaining problems. Thank you.